Okay, so we are in the new e46 that we're working on. We got 145,000 miles, some lights. The engine's not running, but we have no coolant in it, so that's for the better. Okay, so we got the scanner hooked up, and this is what we got. P0174, System 2 Lean, Bank 2. P0030, heater control circuit, Bank 1. P2197, O2 sensor signal bias / stuck lean, Bank 2 sensor 1. O2 sensor circuit shorted to heater circuit. Engine coolant temperature sensor 2. Mass or volume airflow circuit low. Intake air temperature sensor 1 circuit. System 2 lean, Bank 1. P0171. P0174, System 2 lean, Bank 2. HO2S heater control circuit, Bank 1, sensor 1. O2 sensor signal. So a lot of these are like duplicate codes, it seems, for some reason. Fuel lever sensor A, circuit range, performance. And engine coolant temperature sensor 2, circuit high. This will erase them all. Yeah, until I start it again, it doesn't. Okay. Alrighty, so let's go. And we'll see what all we have otherwise. Non-X3. We'll just scan every single module and we'll check every module for whatever it's got going on. We're done scanning, so let's do motor electronics. It's going to be the equivalent of the OBD2 system. So there's nothing in there because we cleared them, so that's good. Let's check transmission. Nothing in the transmission. Stability control. Can fault from lamp on as long as error is present. Can data fault. Code 5E19. Code 5E1E. Steering angle sensor. System voltage less than 9 volts. So it could be because this thing had a low battery. So we'll clear those. We'll see what's going on. If those come back or not. Toleration of changing code increased with key number 1. Okay. Power on reset. Toleration of change code with key number 4. So it was a code 43, a 0F, and a 13. Not sure what that's trying to tell me. Maybe I'll reprogram this key to this car. If it needs it, I don't know. Let's check steering angle sensor. 09, fault codes not found in the database. And 16, found fault codes not found in the database. Okay, we'll just clear them. And we'll see what comes on later. Telephone, does this thing even have the telephone? I doubt it. Code 107, fault codes not found in the database. Code 6D, emergency call button, open circuit. Okay, I guess this thing does have a telephone system. But I can't see because there's not enough light. But this thing is a little wiggly. So something's up with the buttons up in here, I reckon. I don't know. Steam emergency call button circuit open. 6E emergency call LED open circuit. Breakdown button open circuit. we'll clear it. AC heater. Aux sensor, code 1E. Aux heater, code 20. Instrument cluster. No can identification. What code was that? It was a code F5, code F9. No can identification. ASC. No can identification. F4. T7. Tank level type sensor 2. Guessing it's the expansion tank. K-bus. Which it does have a low coolant level light because there's no coolant in it. Light switching center. Multifunction steering wheel. No codes there. We found one, boys. Guess I'll clear foam memory. I don't know if there is any. Airbag. I don't know if we have an airbag. Well, I didn't pay attention when I started it. Seat occupancy detector, code 70, code 05, side airbag, front left. Maybe someone didn't plug it in the door or something. Looks like someone's been in there. Side airbag, front left. Wait a minute. Code 05 and code 05. Okay. Code 06, side airbag, front right. Maybe this was triggered by some low voltage or something. Power supply. Okay. We'll just clear those. Only thing I can think of. Switching center, center console. Up there. Central body electronic. Power window. Open circuit motor or relay passenger door. Which passenger door? It's code 0A. No answer. Driver mirror. Code 6C. And code 09. Power window. Open circuit motor relay driver's door. Let's clear everything. Okay, so we still have no coolant in this thing, so let's go ahead and start it right quick and see if the engine light comes back on. Engine light's off, airbag light is on. Let's try turning the wheel. Doesn't make anything extra come back on. We have a brake light on, but the brakes work. So that still doesn't take it out. Okay, so now we have brake light and that traction light on, but everything else seems to have done all right. So, all right, that's everything wrong with it for the moment. Everything's cleared. We'll get the cooling system done in this thing, and then we'll take it for a little spin, I guess, and see if there's anything else going on with it that needs addressed. So that'll be it for this part 2 video, just the analysis of it. We'll get into the meat of the repairs next video, so thanks for watching, guys. Peace. Alright, so before I actually end the video out, I noticed the key is not working on the C46. What else is new? It's like an obvious thing with, like, none of these things ever work. So let's try reprogramming it, which I've done in another video, but make sure your door's closed. Key in the 1 position, off, hold unlock, lock 3 times. 1, 2, 3. All right, there, programmed. So now we should be able to lock and unlock remotely. Locked. Unlocked. Trunk unlocked. All right, so there we go. So we scan this thing for problems and reprogram the key. And it looks like the Chinaman math is working okay for now, but firebox off, we got access, so we should be able to get this done. Hopefully in not too long of a time. So, see you guys in part 3. Thanks for watching. Peace. Okay, so after we've done all the coolant stuff on here, we do have an engine light on. So we have P0030, it's a current code, heater control circuit bank 1 sensor 1, HO2S. Heater control circuit. So I have a generic P0365, that's the camshaft position sensor B circuit bank 1. Isn't there only 1 camshaft in this thing? How is there a sensor B in this? Shouldn't there only be 1? It's a straight 6. There's only 1 cam. Okay. So we may need to order one of these to keep that engine light off. Because that'll do one of 2 things. Either A, your car won't start, or B, your car is going to run like crap, or it won't run at all when the camshaft position sensor goes out. Okay, we still have pending O2 sensor heater circuit, a pending heater circuit, heater control circuit. Okay, so we have two current codes. Heater control circuit bank 1 sensor 1. Pending heater circuit bank 1 sensor 1. So I guess we're going to have to replace the oxygen sensor. Bank 1 sensor 1. HO2S. Heater oxygen sensor heater control. Okay, so those 2 things are related. So the heater's bad in the oxygen sensor, we need to replace the sensor. Not a big deal, order that. Camshaft position sensor, that's a current code. Might as well replace it so this thing doesn't get stranded. You don't get stranded somewhere. O2 sensor heater, circuit bank 1, sensor 1, blah, blah, blah. We already checked that one. Okay, heater control, bank 1, sensor 1. Camshaft position sensor. Okay, so we got current and pending codes for the camshaft position sensors and the oxygen sensor. So we'll go ahead and replace those, I guess. Order those while I'm ordering that lower leaking hose. And then that should be it. Then this thing can run normally. I'll go ahead and clear the codes out anyway while they're here. So we'll do that. And then that'll be it till the rest of our parts come in and we can finally finish this cooling system.